Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. If you want to learn how to turn your photos into artistic paintings, then follow this video tutorial. Okay, so the thing that we're going to use is the CNTK, which is the Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, which is a deep learning toolkit that lets you do a lot of amazing stuff, including turning your photos into paintings. So I was going through the examples of the CNTK and I came up with this one. I came across this one, which is simply just turning a normal photo into painting. So I imported the file in Google Colab. Google Colab is a cloud service by Google that lets you run machine learning code and do a lot of amazing stuff. And it's basically a very powerful computer. So first of all, you have to install some dependencies. So and it'll take a while, but don't worry, it'll install eventually. I will put the link of this Google Colab project in the description of this video, and then you can open it and run it for yourself. But you have to log in with your Gmail account. I've already logged in, so I can use it. Okay, once you installed the dependencies, then click here and you will see the files, and you should upload the images, and you click here and you should first upload the content.jpg, and be careful with the names. The names should be exactly as the ones that I'm having here. And then you also need another one for your style. So the content is the photo that you have, which is the photo of London, as you can see here, and the style is the painting style that we want to give to this deep learning network, and it will convert our photo to this style. Okay, after that you have to run this code. I don't go through these. You can read the description if you're interested, but simply the thing that you have to do is to run them one by one. And then this one, this one. Once this is not turning anymore, it means that the code has ran, and you can go for the next block of the code. As you can see here in the code, the style and content are the names for the image files, and also the image files should be JPG files. Don't forget that. The size of the images will be resized to 300 by 300 pixels. If you want, you can change this. You can put 500, for example, but it will take more time to convert your image. Okay, so as you can see, we have our content image and we have the painting image. Now the magic happens in the next step, which is turning your photo into the painting. So let's see if it can convert London into Starry Nights. It will take a while, and you will see some iterations, and in each iteration you will see the results. So there will be 10 iterations, and the last output will be the best output, basically. So once the iteration is complete, then you can see the image added here. So let's wait for a while and then we will see it. Okay, so now all of the 10 iterations are done and you can see the results here. If you want to download the image, You can click here to see the result. You can also see the result on different iterations. So at first it's like this, then eventually it's like this. So the quality gets better in each iteration. And if you want to download it, you just simply click here and press download, and then you will get the image. And this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in such nerdy tutorials.